In this video, I'll show you how to handle EU withdrawal workflows for digital products in WooCommerce. This is especially important for stores selling downloadable products inside the European Union. Digital products can involve different withdrawal rules, and WooCommerce does not include a dedicated workflow for managing them by default. So let's set this up properly. I'll be using SDP EU Withdrawal for WooCommerce. You'll find the link in the description. Let's start with a downloadable product. Here we have a digital product configured in WooCommerce. Now let's go to the plugin settings. Inside the digital products section, you can configure how withdrawal requests should behave for downloadable products. Here you can enable the withdrawal waiver option. This allows customers to explicitly acknowledge that they may lose their withdrawal right once the digital content access begins. Let's save the settings and go to checkout. Now, during checkout, the customer can see the withdrawal waiver confirmation. This creates a much clearer workflow for digital purchases. Let's complete the order. Now let's access the downloadable file from the customer account. The customer can download the purchased product normally. And this is where the workflow becomes especially useful. The plugin can detect download activity for digital products and store that information as part of the withdrawal workflow. Now let's submit a withdrawal request for this order. Here the customer can access the withdrawal request form and submit the request normally. Let's send the request. Now let's switch to the admin side. Open the WooCommerce orders screen. You can immediately identify orders with withdrawal requests directly from the order actions. Let's open the order. Inside the order screen, you'll see the withdrawal request notice. Click to review the request. Now you can review the request details, customer information, and digital product activity related to the order. This makes it much easier to review withdrawal requests involving downloadable products. Instead of manually checking emails and order activity, everything stays connected to the WooCommerce workflow. You can then approve or reject the request directly from the order review screen. Customer notifications are handled automatically, and if needed, you can also exclude specific products from the withdrawal workflow entirely. That's how you can handle EU withdrawal workflows for digital products in WooCommerce using SDP EU Withdrawal for WooCommerce.